In this video, we can talk about top 5 Copy.ai alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome to the Alternatives Co-channel. If you are looking for an alternative to Copy.ai, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 AI-powered writing tools that can beat Copy.ai in terms of exclusive features. The first alternative is Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI-powered writing assistant making content creation faster and more efficient than ever before. Its features include paraphrasing, text expander, article summarizer, and AI article ideas. The software offers a free version, but its premium version provides advanced writing suggestions, tone adjustments, and genre-specific writing styles. Second alternative is Jasper. Jasper is an advanced AI sidekick using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to produce high-quality and creative content. Its features include Jasper Chat, Chrome extension, Boss Mode, and Surfer.ao integration. Its standout feature is its ability to analyze large volumes of information quickly and efficiently. Third alternative is Rytr. Rytr is an AI tool that helps individuals generate high-quality copy by enabling them to save time, improve efficiency, and boost productivity. It offers features like content creation, email marketing, and social media management. The software's standout feature is its AI language model, which can generate high-quality content for various use cases. The fourth alternative is Frase.ao. Frase.ao is an AI-powered platform that revolutionizes SEO and content creation by providing smart recommendations to improve the effectiveness of online content. It offers features like content brief, content optimization, content writing, and content analytics. Its standout feature is its content optimization feature, which uses AI to analyze and improve the quality of the user's content. Final alternative is Anyword. Anyword is an AI-powered writing tool that uses advanced algorithms to analyze each customer segment, providing marketers and copywriters with personalized recommendations to create impactful content. It offers features like performance marketing, content marketing, and copy intelligence. Its standout feature is its AI-powered ad copy generator, which can create high-converting ads in just a few clicks. Compared to Copy.ai, Writersonic offers a more comprehensive set of AI writing tools, while Jasper is focused on generating high-quality content. Rytr, on the other hand, offers advanced content creation tools for e-commerce businesses, while Frase.ao provides a powerful AI-powered SEO content optimization platform. Anyword is another excellent tool that offers unique AI-powered copywriting tools that are great for social media and email marketing campaigns. If you're looking for an all-in-one AI writing solution, we recommend Writersonic as the best option. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.